I am going to share 10 things I wish I knew before going to college. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika and today I am here to make our annual college sit down video because truly college has been a complete game changer or like a big turning point in my life. I think it is for a lot of people, and I know this is that time of the year where a lot of you are about to start college. एक तो मेरे घर में ही है जिसका शुरू होने वाला है. So there are a lot of questions, DMs that I've been getting. That is why I am going to share 10 things I wish I knew before going to college that I just feel I want to share. It might help you, it might not. I'm hoping it does. Came prepared. I have all my handwritten notes right here जो मैं हमेशा sit down videos के लिए लिखती हूँ. Let's get right into it. Number 1, don't expect people to have the same values like you do. दिस इज़ आई थिंक जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है तो सबके दिमाग में सबसे बड़ा फियर होता है, ओ हम दोस्त कैसे बनाएंगे, ओ हु टू ट्रस्ट, हु नॉट टू ट्रस्ट, हु आर द राइट पीपल, हु आर द रॉन्ग पीपल, हाउ डू यू नो, हाउ डू यू गेट टू नो. Well, the answer is by experiencing it yourself. But also this is something I learned. People are different. That's a fact. Everybody knows that some are good, some are bad. किसी से vibe match होती है, किसी से नहीं होती है, and that's okay. But जब college start होता है, you want to believe the best about the world, right? I did, at least. I thought everybody is nice. Oh my god, उसने मेरे को पार्टी में इनवाइट किया. Oh my god, she is so nice. उसने मेरे में कुछ देखा होगा, you know. She must really think I'm a good person even though she does not know anything about me. Now, I'm not saying anybody who will be nice to you will have ulterior motives, but the vibes don't lie. Listen to what your stomach tells you. Stomach में एक गंदी feeling आती है, don't do it, okay? Just don't do it. And then there's this anxious sort of exciting feeling which you can feel is positive. That is a green flag. You're good to go. And the beauty about it is while you are navigating, you will find the right people for you. You will find people who will turn into your friends and you won't even know how that happened. So don't stress and don't go the first day कि oh my god anxiety, oh my god मेरे से तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा, मैं कैसे दोस्त बनाऊँ. And it's okay, like you're not an outcast अगर पहले दिन पे या पहले वीक में या पहले महीने में भी दोस्त नहीं बने तो it's fine. Even though trust me, this works. Believe that you will find the right people and that will happen. Just believe it, regardless of तुम कितने awkward हो, regardless of तुमसे hello भी हकलाए बिना नहीं बोला जाता. Believe it. Number 2, exams are important, but developing your personality is more. Trust me, exams, studies, your GPA comes in top 2. Literally, maybe the most important also in some courses. No matter how good you are at studying, something that will always be noticed first is how you talk. Are you a good listener? Can you read the room? Can you express yourself in a room full of people? Can you be a part of a group discussion and stand out? All of these are so important. And even so more for me, why I'm stressing on this point is, bro, I've done BBA in business analytics and marketing. And I've never been that academic, and I won't even say I'm average. And I own that. I need skills to still last in this world, in a room full of intelligent people, in a room full of all my friends जो engineering करके बैठे हैं. One of the biggest things that sets you apart and really has your back is if you have worked on your personality, and doing that through college is the best time. Number 3, choosing your college wisely is also a game changer. Like, are your interests taken care of? Are the clubs you're interested in joining a part of it? Does the course interest you? And all of these things, even internships and the industry exposure that the college can offer you is also a benefit. For example, there's this institute called the Newton School of Technology. वहाँ के students manage to crack internships in the first and second year of their college only with stipends like 20,000 से 1.25 lakhs तक लेके in companies like Razorpay and Zoom का. And now they also have a campus in Bangalore alongside Delhi and Pune. And like having a campus in Bangalore means being in the hub of startups and technologies and being mentored by leaders like from Meta and ISRO. It's a completely different league. And even with AI taking over so much, they also offer specializations in AI, robotics and tech entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in technology and you want an institution, so students are even picking over IIT and BITS, so you can definitely give NSAT, which is their entrance exam happening on 10 June, and you can also visit their website, and all the registration links are in my description. Moving on to the fourth point, the value of budgeting is so important, especially in college, and that is something I learned लिविंग थ्रू कॉलेज ओनली. जब एकदम आप कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हो, ऑब्वियसली मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर नॉट अर्निंग, राइट? तो हमें मिलती है पॉकेट मनी. दैट्स हाउ यू लर्न हाउ टू सेव, हाउ टू स्पेंड, एंड इट कीप्स यू मोटिवेटेड टू अर्न कि भाई कर ले कुछ, वरना ऐसे तो नहीं चल पाएगा. सो या लर्न अ लॉट. कॉलेज के स्टार्टिंग में एक्चुअली इवन पता नहीं, डिपेंड्स ऑन आप किस तरीके के कॉलेज पे जा रहे हो. बहुत बाहर जाना होता है, कैफ़े चलते हैं, यहाँ चलते हैं, वहाँ चलते हैं. 20-20 लोग भर के रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हैं साथ में खाने, जो थर्ड ईयर तक एक दूसरे की शक्ल भी नहीं देखेंगे, बट जा रहे हैं. एंड ऑल्सो गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाउ टू मैनेज योर एक्सपेंसेस. अब हाउ तो आई कैन नॉट टेल, सबका अपना एक्सपीरियंस होता है, बट आई होप ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स और द पीपल यू गो आउट विद have the common sense of splitting and paying back people. Only roam around with these type of people. Make sure of that. Be also very sensitive towards कि कौन कितना spend कर सकता है, because सबके लिए same नहीं होती चीज़ें. Because in college everybody comes from different backgrounds, different states, different conditions. So जो चीज़ आपके लिए normal हो सकती है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो मेरे लिए भी normal होगी, है ना? Be mindful, stay on a budget. Because of that budget, get motivated to start making your own money. I also have a video on this, how to make money as a college student. I have elaborately given certain methods or तरीके जहाँ से यू कैन रीच आउट फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स, लिंक्डइन एंड एवरीथिंग, कोल्ड ईमेलिंग, सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव रहना. ऑल ऑफ दीज एवेन्यूज आई हैव कवर्ड. सम पीपल क्राई इन द कमेंट्स कि यू डू नॉट टेल एग्जैक्ट जॉब पोस्टिंग. अरे भाई, वो जॉब वाले ही बताएंगे ना. एंड मैंने तो जहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप करी वो कंपनीज बंद हो चुकी हैं. सो या यूट्यूब पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे अब तो इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन. आई एम श्योर देर आर बेटर पीपल हु आर इक्विप्ड टू गिव यू एग्जैक्ट रिसोर्सेज टू हेल्प यू. नंबर 5, ड्रेस टू एक्सप्रेस, लाइक find out your style during college. That is something I would actually tell my past self also. Just stop with the ripped jeans and the crop tops. Like stop it, एक लिमिट होती है and then you cross it. ड्रेस टू एक्सप्रेस, मैंने बहुत ही ABCD किस्म की बात करी है.
We dance to express, you dance to impress.
Lots of fun shirts, kurtis. Like I would have told myself to not only follow what everybody around me was doing, but to see what I like wearing, what I feel the most comfortable in, what suits my body type, what looks like, क्या flattering लगता है, क्या नहीं लगता है. Figuring that out would really be cool जब तुम college में हो तब भी. I mean, it's not that serious, but I feel like how you dress is something which is it's like a form of सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन अगेन. एंड जिनके कॉलेज में यूनिफॉर्म है उनको तो मैं RIP. 2.5 साल निकल गए मेरे 3 साल के कोर्स में से, एंड देन द लास्ट सेमेस्टर एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द 5th सेमेस्टर यूनिफॉर्म केम बैक. तो मेरा 3rd ईयर थोड़ा डिप्रेसिव गया था, बिकॉज हमें रोज़ वाइट शर्ट पहननी पड़ती थी, बट द रेस्ट ऑफ माई कॉलेज लाइफ बच गई. पॉइंट नंबर 6, don't wait for college to end to then experience the real world. By that I mean, even in your first year, people will tell you you're too young. First year में कौन internship करता है, और if your friends are not doing internships in first years, does not mean you can't. Okay, लोग मतलब स्कूल से अपने फ्रीलांस चीज़ें पे बिल्ड करना शुरू कर देते हैं, तो हम कॉलेज में तो कर ही सकते हैं. लाइक what I mean to say is, doing little by little, building on your skills little by little alongside your college or course, if it allows you, it will help you so much. Because once college gets over, you will already be having experience of a couple tiny internships, offline preferably, skills, internships, little by little, something that you've started building alongside college, so that when college ends, you have something to, to fall back on or to then pursue, so that जब college end होगा, you are in a much better standpoint than you would have been if you did not spend time doing anything else but your studies. And it's not to say कि कोई अगर ये 2nd 3rd year में या फिर college ख़त्म होने के बाद भी ये देख रहा है, it's never too late. But I'm just saying कि जो अभी शुरू करने वाला है उसके लिए I just felt like I should say this because it really does count. This only brings me to my 7th point. It's okay to not follow the crowd. No matter which type of course you're in, medical, engineering, arts, psychology, business. Don't let anyone make you feel stupid, or don't let anyone guilt trip you into feeling bad because you want to do something which is not क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अभी ये शब्द आया था दिमाग में, मेन स्ट्रीम, या विच इज़ नॉट मेन स्ट्रीम. लाइक लोग इंजीनियरिंग के बाद भी मार्केटिंग में जॉब्स कर रहे हैं. एवरीबडी डिस्कवर्स देयर एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, देयर एरियाज ऑफ स्किल्स, देयर लव for doing a certain thing. And if you feel like there is something you might really be good at, I would say see that through. Don't let it go just because you have chosen a course or just because family ने ये कहा है करने को. I know not everybody has the privilege to make their own choices. There are still households जहाँ पे there is pressure, there are stereotypes, and बच्चे भी बात रखने के लिए वो कर लेते हैं. But if you do want to pursue something different, I would say don't give up on it just yet. Put in the effort little by little. कॉलेज के साथ साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा करते करते. That is how I got YouTube. That is how I am making this video. And I completely believe in having full fun. But I also believe कि कुछ जगहों पे a little sacrifice made, it is not fun lost. It will reward you only in the future. So if all of your friends are going to a party and you are not because you have this thing to do it. Point 8. Pay attention to people around you. See how people communicate. See how people express themselves. Pick up on how communication happens. Because for me, if I talk about myself, when college started, I had no idea of how to speak to people. I still am learning, but I'm still an introvert, but I believe in observing, and there's a lot you can learn by just observing and learning from other people's mistakes. And apart from just observing, how you can start building confidence or start communicating better. How I started, I'll give you an example. I started participating in class. Like first semester में तो मैंने बहुत किया. मैं बहुत पढ़ के आती थी just so I could give answers or just so I could ask questions, ताकि मैं कहीं तो बोलना शुरू करूँ. जिसके बाद फिर मेरे को वो करने के बाद मेरे को जाके ऑडिशंस देने का कॉन्फिडेंस आया, डांस का, ड्रामा का, सब का, फैशन का. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. मे बी यू कैन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट टू. नंबर 9. This is something I did not know before college, but extracurriculars will really absolutely change your life. Joining clubs will change your life like no other. It did mine. I don't know, सबका experience same नहीं होता है, but in terms of being confident, in terms of surprising myself also. At the end of the day, ज़रूरी नहीं है you can find your friends or make your friends by only going to class or having a same subject. When you join a club, वो जो पूरा एक एटमॉस्फेयर होता है कैनॉट बी रेप्लिकेटेड, कैनॉट बी फाउंड एनीवेयर एल्स. वो जो एक जुनून होता है ना, अलग डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस में जाके अपना नुक्कड़ नाटक करके आना और उसके बाद जीत जाना, इट्स प्योर गोल्ड. एंड इवन इफ इट्स नॉट गोल्ड फॉर एवरीवन, इट्स डेफिनेटली अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस लाइक नो अदर. दिस इज वेयर यू एक्सपीरियंस पॉलिटिक्स. एंड द लास्ट स्टेप दैट आई हैव फॉर यू इज go with the flow. Okay, don't look left and right. Don't compare somebody else's journey with yours. ठीक है, just because किसी के साथ एक certain way में हुआ does not mean it will happen with you also in that way only. That is not how things work. College में there are a lot of ups and downs. People will break your heart. You will cry. You will feel like इसने मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों किया, मैं अंधी थी क्या. Sometimes you will feel like मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You will also make mistakes. Sometimes your GPA will be like this, sometimes it will be like this. But the thing is, when it's like this, the only way is upwards. So, on that note, क्या लाइन मारी है, I will end this video. If you ask me, do I miss it or do I want to be in college at this moment right now? No. It was a time of my life that I've lived to the fullest, but there are only happy memories and happy learnings. Okay, bye. See you guys next time. Also, एक और चीज़ बोलनी थी मेरे को. Yeah, कि I personally don't have an experience of living in another state or in hostel. I have not lived through that. तो उसके related जो भी इतने सारे questions up and down, उसमें तो और भी feelings का fluctuation होता है. I'm not the right person to talk about it, तो I will not disgrace it by talking about it just because. Yeah, ये याद आया था मेरे को, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.